Hey there everyone, it's me Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting, and I wanted to take a minute to share with you how to do a concentric swirl design. So you'll see that I do concentric circles a lot in the background of a lot of my custom quilts that I do that are contemporary quilting, and I do sometimes like to do concentric swirls instead when I just want to pull out and create more movement and more flow. So they're similar kind of in how we get that circular design, but then you got to learn that swoop and that pull to pull that design out and make it flowing. You can see this cool design here behind my Freddy the Fox quilt. It's one of my favorites and I think you're going to love it. So let's work on concentric swirls. Basically, concentric just means that they're going to keep wrapping up into each other. And you kind of just have to play it by ear. You're going to combine a couple different designs. You're going to do a swoop, a pull and curl, and then echo. So we're going to do a swoop, pull and curl, and echo out. Okay. And taper when you come back down to the bottom. Do the same thing. Close it off and kind of taper into it. Then you want to find your way out. And in another direction, do another one. Now you can continue to bring this in really tight and keep building on the outsides, the thread, or you can just not build thread so much and try not to taper or come in as much. I find that if I mess up a curl, I can usually correct it by making the other one more curvy. They all eventually kind of blend in anyway. When I'm stuck with these odd shapes, I'll just kind of echo them until I'm done and then pull it in. So I might come in here, echo, and then maybe even do that to get out. I try not to make them super tiny like this. Big, but I do try to vary it a little bit, and I try to stay in the area that I need to be before I exit, so I don't have to try to find a creative way to come back. Okay, change directions, up and down, side to side. Start to get a bunch that are all in the same kind of area, I try my best to switch it up and not have a whole bunch of heads here or a whole bunch of tails there. So we'll swing a tail out. So we're increasing our tails over by the heads. You can travel on top or on bottom, but now you can see that this one, the tail's getting real big and the head's getting real small. So I'll usually correct that by doing this and then pulling it out. You can echo these as many times as you want. If your thread matches, it is just going to fade into the background. So this is what I would do, is I would just touch that previous swirl if I didn't want to keep tapering and building on the threads that are already there. is how I would do a concentric swirl design. So you just got to kind of pull them out and away. You're doing a swoop and a pull and a curl and an echo, and then they should taper at the tails or they get really big and fat, and then you have all these extra line pieces in here, and you want to try your best to switch up the tail to head ratio. And all of that comes with practice, and it's not going to be perfect every time, but you just practice kind of getting things where you want them to be and see how you like them: smaller, bigger, tucked in, tails together, or if you like bodies of heads together. You'll find your flow. You just got to practice and do it. So I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial for how to do a concentric swirl, and I hope that it was helpful for you to just kind of see me work my way around it, so you can kind of see me travel and do some different things. So take care. Please like and share this video, and subscribe to the channel. We got lots of more great videos coming out. Take care and happy quilting. Check out boldnotionquilting.com for more fun classes and tutorials.